Bro, it legit flooded out here. This is so crazy. Never seen a flood before.
Mom, it's the Guadalupe water. Look how clean it is.
This is my first time seeing a flood.
And when we left, there wasn't no water in Yellow's yard. It's crazy because I was just walking right here earlier. But you weren't just walking over here earlier. Yes, I was. Well, whenever I first woke up, I was walking right there earlier. Now it's slowly coming our way. Hopefully it don't come, because this is coming up here. Hopefully it don't come too much. We're thinking maybe... How is it? Like, is the Guadalupe... Is that all the Guadalupe water is right there? The Guadalupe River is way back there, but there's
Dang. Look at all the pools off. Dang, I remember that all used to be grass right there, Mom. Now look at it. It's water. Here's our house. Luckily, nothing happens to it.
We're hoping it don't come in at all. But if it does, it'll probably come to ours, is what I'm trying to tell you. Not hoping it'll come to my room, son. I'm just saying.